Hello everyone, here is today's problem. Find the smallest positive integer x such that the last 3 digits of x to the power 5 equal 521. Since 1000 is 10 to the power 3, which is 2 power 3, 5 power 3, 8 times 125. Suppose x to the power 5 congruent to 521 mod 1000. We wish to find x such that x to the power 5 congruent to 521 mod 8 and x to the power 5 congruent to 521 mod 125. For odd integer x, write x as 2k plus 1 for integer k. So x squared equals 2k plus 1 squared, that is 4k squared plus 4k plus 1. That is 4k, k plus 1 plus 1. K and k plus 1 are two consecutive integers, meaning that one of them must be even. So 4k, k plus 1 divisible 8. So meaning that this is congruent 1 mod 8. And therefore, x is congruent to x to the power 5, congruent to 1, which is congruent to 521 mod 8. Meaning that any odd number x satisfies the first equation. For second equation, suppose 5 divide x, then x to the power 5 is x cubed times x squared. That will be congruent 0 mod 125. Now, 5 does not divide x. Note that the 5 of 125 is 125, 1 minus 1 over 5, that is 100. And therefore, x power 100 is congruent to 1 mod 125. If x power 5 congruent to 521, which is congruent to 21 mod 125, then x power 5 to the power of 20 is congruent to 21 to the power of 20 mod 125. And since x power of 5 to the power of 20 is x power 100, which is congruent to 1, so we need to check that if 21 to the power of 20 congruent to 1. 20 to the power of 10 is 25 minus 4 to the power of 10. Then using binomial theorem, this is summation. Then choose r, 25 to the power of r, negative 4, 10 minus r from 0 to 10. Note that 25 is 5 squared. If r is greater than or equals to 2, 25 to the power of r is congruent 0 mod 125. So in this case, we need to consider r equals to 0 and r equals to 1. r equals 0, negative 4 to the power of 10. r equals to 1, 10, 25, negative 4 to the power of 9. But this again is congruent to 0 mod 125. So in other words, we need to consider only 4 power 10 mod 125. 4 to the power 10 is 2 to the power 10 squared. But 2 power 10 is equals 1024. And that is 24 mod 125. And 24 squared is 576. That is 76 mod 125. We wish to know whether 21 to the power 20 congruent to 1 mod 125. So we already know that 21 to the power 10 is congruent to 76. So 76 squared equals 75 plus 1 squared. And that is 75 squared plus 2 times 75 plus 1. 75 is 3 times 25. So 75 squared is congruent to 0 mod 125. So this is congruent to 151 mod 25. That is congruent to 26 mod 125. This means that 21 to the power of 20 is congruent to 26 mod 125. And obviously this is not congruent to 1 mod 125. In other words, there's no such x such that x to the power 5 congruent to 521. Which means that x to the power 5 is never congruent to 521 mod 1000. So we conclude that no solution. After we've shown that there is no such x such that x to the power 5 equals 521, we may generalize it and change the 521 to a and ask for this. How many integer a from 1 to 999 such that there is a solution for this equation? You may find it and write the answer in the comment. That's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.